Next is scale the link. What's that? Okay, for example, if you want zoom in and zoom out or turn around your camera without changing a specific layer, you should first select that layer, or you can select multiple layers that you want be static. Click on it and then click on scale Z link. Okay, now for example, when we change and zoom in, we can see just change position of this layer. Or when we zoom out, you can see how this is working. It just change position of this layer, but these layers is bigger or small like this. And if you click on this layer, scale Z link, here you can see this effect. And here in the slider, if you increase the number, you can see you can change the size of this layer from this option. For example, if you are smaller than, for example, to here, now when we change the size, it's static here. If you want here, again, you can change the size from here. It's really cool.